Hello, welcome guys. Quick demonstration using the Donner clip-on guitar tuner. Use it on an electric guitar this time, okay? And the button on the back, this little button lets you toggle between bass, violin, ukulele, so many different little string instruments that you can use this chromatic tuner. For my purposes, I'm going to leave it on chromatic. As you can see, it's ready to go. It's clip on. You can move this back and forth the way you need it. And let's tune the guitar. Let's see, this should be on C, which is correct. You know, if you go higher, you'll see the little dial go up. So you want to make sure you bring it right in the middle. Okay. Very easy to use. And you know, if you're in a concert situation and it's dark, you'll still be able to see it. It's got the little LED light right there. Alright, so hope you found this useful. This is a Schecter guitar, by the way, that I'm using the clip on. You can use it. You can even use it up here if you wanted to. I usually clip it on there. There you go. Donner chromatic guitar tuner clip on.